Welcome to another cardio workout. Let's go. Go at your own pace.
Hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you. Oh, I found you. Yeah, you. Thank the gods I found you. Yeah, proof. Those who wait never. I've been hungry for affection, baby. Best believe that you got my attention, baby. Now I see you there in my reflection. You're a part of me, the missing piece. Hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you. Oh, I found you. Yeah. Hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you. Oh, I found you. Yeah. Say that you won't hide away. Yeah, if you stay, I will make you my flame. I've been hungry for affection, baby. Best believe that you got my attention, baby. Now I see you there in my reflection. You're a part of me, the missing piece. Yeah. Hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you. Oh, I
You were passing by, surrounded by all those butterflies. Suddenly they flew right in my heart. Must have looked like a living piece of art. From that moment I knew that it would be you. Yeah, from that moment I knew it could only be you. I wrote your name up on my wall, circled in an arrow heart. Somehow you made me feel whole. I wouldn't have to be alone. No, I would never be alone. No, I would never be alone.
Hi, I'm Cola, just like Coca-Cola. This is my first transformation photo. When I first started working out, I couldn't do one push-up on my knees. Eventually, I was able to do 100 push-ups. My next transformation was my journey to getting six-pack abs. I naturally store a lot of fat on my belly area, and also I love bread. And then my booty transformation. I'm a mom, so I had to work with what I had, and that is where my love for glute bridges was born. If you ever do my Booty Fix program, which is available in my app, you will see that there's a lot of glute bridges in there. That's a little bit of my journey. Let's continue with the workout.
You get everybody staring for days. All they see is just a young, pretty face. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take, but there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. I just can't give up. I just can't give up.
come so far. Keep going.
Living on the highway, taking every turn. I've been on the road since I was 5. Sitting by my father for 1,000,000 miles, picking up old stories on the ride. I've been counting shadows to the beat of the radio. I feel like a baby when I sleep, and then you come to me. If we can keep the fire burning till I'm coming home, then maybe I won't have the need to let the engine run. 'Cause in the morning, in the night, maybe we can hold each other tight. We can keep the fire burning for a while, babe. Keep it wild. Every single coffee, every single day.
If you want more, click the link in the description to get your free 5-day workout plan.